Hello and welcome to this TechTip Tuesday video. I am Naomi and I am one of the trainers at ECI and I specialize in M1. And today's tech tip, we are looking at the Organization Explorer. So we're going to click on that now and we're going to open it up. Now the Organization Explorer may look very similar to the organization entry screen, but it is slightly different. So let's start by looking at a supplier. So our supplier we're going to look at today is ABC Supply. So what you can see with the Organization Explorer is in the left side in the tree, you can see all of the different parts of M1 that have associations with this particular organization. So I'm just going to show you some examples on that. We've got locations specified here, and you can expand the arrow to see what's going on there. All the details there. You've got the specific contacts relating to the organization, and then you've got any memos and attachments. Now, those are the things that are in the usual appearance of the organization entry. What we're going to look down here are some of the other areas you can access from this organization entry. So let's move down and let's start off with our calls. Actually, let's just come up here. Service contracts. So service contracts are basically agreements that you may have with the supplier to provide certain services or warranties or service. You might get something with 12 months service, on-site service or something. That information would be held in the service contracts area. Calls, this section would show any call records relating to this organization through the call management module. Let's have a look here at part prices. We can see here that there is a part price here for the part of box 2. And if we double click on that, we can open up the part prices entry screen and we can see what that detail is. So nice and easy, directly from the contact, or in this case the supplier. Now we can also look at the part cross references. So this is where we can see which parts have a cross reference with the organization, so ABC Supply. And again, I can just double click on one of these and I can see the details of the relationship or of that part. Okay, so we can go further down and we've got our request for quote for a supplier. If we've asked them for a quote, it's all listed here. And we've got our purchase orders that are open and they're listed here again. We can just double click on it and it'll open up the purchase order with all the details. That just saves you going into the purchase orders, finding the customer or finding the ID. So you can look at anything related to this particular supplier or customer directly from this screen. A couple of other things I'll just show you that are available here. We've got our AP invoices. Okay, so no matter what area of M1 you're looking for, you can access it from the Organizations Explorer. So that's looking at our supplier side of things. Let's have a quick look at our customer side of things. We're going to use our fantasy customer called Intel. And again, you can see that on the left-hand side, we've got this tree that has the details of our locations and our contacts. And we've also got the attachments and the memos. And we can go down here and again, we've got our service contracts and any calls that have come in. So we can see we've got a call. We can double click on that call and it opens up the details of the call as if you had gone straight into the call entry screen. Couple of others I'll just show you on this. Just bear with me a moment. So we can go here and we can look at our sales orders, for instance. What are our open sales orders for Intel? We can see them all listed here. And we can double click on them again and open that up. Easy way to navigate through to everything about that organization. Alrighty. And again, you've got your part pricing and your part cross references if they are relevant for this particular customer, which we don't have any of those in here. So that in a nutshell is your Organization Explorer. Of course, if you wanted to go into the standard organization entry screen, you could just right click on the organization ID and go into organization entry. And then you're going back to your standard organization entry screen without all the extra access down the bottom. Anyway, I hope that you have found that helpful. So again, that is the Organisation Explorer, and it's located within the Contact Management module of M1. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to you joining us at an upcoming Tech Tip Tuesday. Thanks.